Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zootopia ice cream. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Next, gently whisk together 4 egg yolks with half a cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Slowly temper the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks, then return it to the saucepan. Cook until it thickens slightly, coating the back of a spoon. This creates a rich, creamy base for your ice cream. Once your custard base is completely chilled, it's time to add the signature Zootopia flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for a classic taste. For that vibrant Zootopia look, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of blue food coloring until the mixture is uniformly colored. Finally, incorporate half a cup of crushed animal crackers, adding a delightful crunch and playful texture to every scoop. This step truly brings the Zootopia theme to life. Now for the exciting part, churning your Zootopia ice cream. Pour the chilled, flavored mixture into your ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Churn for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. It should be thick and creamy. Once churned, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container. Press a piece of parchment paper directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals from forming. To achieve the perfect scoopable texture, freeze your Zootopia ice cream for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. When ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Scoop generously into bowls or cones, and for an extra touch of Zootopia fun, garnish with a few whole animal crackers. This homemade treat is sure to delight. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.